Yep.
How come that girl only did one though?
Which one?
I only did
See
one.
when I go.
No, they did all four.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
No,
Let's go, Joe. Let's go, Joe. Let's go, Joe.
I'm gonna buy a pizza.
I went to Southside Kids to the rejects and then
All right, goes next up in that 4, gentlemen, 11-12, 200-meter freestyle. In lane 1, Joseph Wildwood. In lane 2, Neil Melnikoff. Lane 3, Logan Nelson. Lane 5, Devin Getman. Lane 6, Peyton Toe. Lane 7, Cameron Fukunaga. In lane 8, Vladimir Popsika. And in lane 4, with our fastest qualifying time, Mr. Aldrich Almeida. Mr. Referee, these are your finalists.
Let's get it, Joe. Let's get it, Joe. Let's get it, Joe.
This will be 11-12 boys.
Let's go. Come on, Joe. Come on, Joe.
I'll be wearing this for my race. Boys kiss.
Come on, Joe. Push it, Joe. One more lap. Come on, Joe. Retired leader. All out, Joe. All out. All out, Joey. All out. Kick, Joey. All out, kid. Let's go, Joey. All out.
Ooh, and the close one, folks. Lane 4 by the
Come on,
touch.
Joey. Come on,
For hands
Joey.
together, for that, the great race.